Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss inspection forms and related terms. So first I start with the form 482. Here we see the definition of the form 482. The form 482 normally known as notice of inspections. Normally the FDA when enter and inspect a factory, warehouse or establishment with food, drugs, device, tobacco products and cosmetics are manufactured, processed and packaged. The inspections and instance of forms. The inspections must occur at reasonable times and within reasonable limits and within reasonable manner as determined by the FDA. The Act also permits the FDA to enter any vehicle used to transport or food, drug device, tobacco products, and cosmetics in consumption area. The inspection reference and investigation. The second is Form 483. This is known as the inspection of observation forms and Form 482. This is also known as the receipt of samples. So normally there are three types of forms used in FDA inspection: Form 482, Form 483, and Form 484. Another is EIR, that means Establishment Inspection Reports, a written narrative report that accurately describe the FDA investigators' inspection findings. Narrative reports that accurately describes the inspection reports. NNO action indicator, ON official reaction indicator, and UL untitled letter when there is no objections, no legal obligations. VI volunteer action indicated, and the most important, that is warning letter. FDA generally undergo no legal action to warn individuals or firms about the violation before taking enforcement actions. Thank you.